Hello, David here at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Today we're inside of our showroom. I am on a 2023 Grand Mariner 23 foot. Grand Mariner is a gorgeous luxury boat by Harris Pontoon. A lot of standard features, cup holders on the side, stereo control. The single lounge that I'm leaning up against will go all the way flat for a nice sun pad. Another key feature that's unique to the Grand Mariner is these backrests will actually flip up individually so you can lounge forward if the sun's going down, and simply go down if you need to. Lots of storage underneath. With every Harris single lounger layout, there's a cooler on the port side built in. This particular model has a swim step over here on the other side of the Mercury 250 Outboard. We have our stainless steel boarding ladder, our stainless steel tow bar. With a 250, plenty of power for tubing, water sports, wakeboarding, whatever you decide that you want to do with it. As I come into the boat, there's a very solid stainless steel gate right here. This way, as you're underway, you can keep your little ones inside the boat and be safe. Simple push of a button right here, the armrest will go all the way back. Just want to show you the sun pad all the way down. Very large sun pad for sunbathing, what have you. Come on inside, I'll show you the rest of the boat. We've moved up on the cockpit of this gorgeous boat. We have a Simrad, digital throttle, digital shift, luxurious steering wheel, upgraded stereo, raised helm. The best part of this boat right now, as I mentioned earlier, it's a 2023, which means it's a leftover. We have extremely aggressive pricing on this and other models that are currently available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down, I'd love to show you the boats, go over the options that we have. Thank you.